RoadCloud is a connected car data provider offering real-time hyperlocal road weather information. Our road state data goes beyond the curve, much further than the vehicle's own field of vision. Road friction data is crucial data for advanced driving assistance systems and autonomous vehicles in wintry and slippery conditions. As automatic emergency braking systems are becoming mandatory around the world, they need to be friction adaptive to stay safe on wintry roads. The car's own radar calculates the time to collision distance, but that distance can be many times longer on a slippery road section, causing dangerous traffic situations. By using RoadCloud data, the car's AEB and ACC become friction adaptive, and this way the car can adapt the TTC based on the actual road friction long before reaching the icy road. As the ACC receives comprehensive information on the operating environment, it knows about a slippery road section beyond the curve, letting it switch lanes or slow down in good time to avoid dangerous road sections. Surprises are nice, but not when driving. RoadCloud, way ahead.